Hello my friends, today we're going to create a profile logo with a neon background. Let's go! I'm going to start off with a custom size. My custom size is going to be a square, 500 by 500 pixels. So it's going to be pretty small because for our logo we don't need a large workspace. Okay, here is our workspace. All right, so the first thing we're going to need to do is we're going to need to upload an image of yourself. So I've got a few already uploaded, so I am just going to choose one and I'm going to remove the background. Now, today I'm using the old image editor, so it doesn't matter which editor you use really, but if mine looks a little bit different, that's why, because I'm using the old editor. So I'm just going to click on BG Remover to remove the background from my photo. And that's fine. Actually, I'll just add another page and Now for this page, I'm going to choose a gradient. I'm going to show you the gradients. They're down here in this section below. So if you want, you can choose a gradient as your background. It all depends on what you want to use. So if you want to use a gradient, you can use a gradient. You want something like that. You can add something like that. I'm just going to choose another one right now, and then I'll adjust the background. So stay with me. Don't go anywhere. I'm not done yet. Okay. Come back to backgrounds. Okay, so I've just typed in there neon color, and this is what I'm getting now. You can, you know, if you want to choose something with a texture, you can choose something with a texture. I'm going to, and again, you can choose any one you like. So I think I'm going to choose this one. Okay, now this one is a photo, and so I've just applied it as my background. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to select edit image, and I'm going to adjust the brightness. Now you have to play with this, so it's not one setting fits all, but if I adjust the brightness and the saturation, you'll see there that I'm getting kind of like a neon effect there. Okay, so I'm going to leave that one like that for now. And what I'm going to do for this one is I'm going to download this so that I can convert it into a photo. Now I guess I could also in here just say purple, and I'd need to find the right shade of purple. I'll choose that one, and if I come in here, I can't, if I edit the image and I come in here, I can adjust the brightness and the saturation. Now it's not exactly what I was looking for, but you can see there at the bottom you're getting that neon effect. Maybe what I'm going to do here is just change this to purple. Maybe I'll I'll change that to green, and I'm going to download this one so that I can then upload it again into as an image. page, download, download. Okay, now I'm going to bring this in here. I'm going to bring my image in here. Okay, so here it is. I'm going to apply it as my background. And now I have the option to edit the image. And I'm just going to turn up the saturation. See if I can bring up the contrast. Okay. But again, like, you have to play with that. So there's your, I mean, that to me looks like a neon background. Okay, so I'm going to try the purple here, and I'm going to download this image, the current page, and I am going to replace that image with my download, and then I'm going to set it as my background, and I'm going to click it. I'm going to click edit image. I'm going to turn up the saturation, and I'm going to turn up the contrast. A little, and there you go. So I guess it's just a matter of playing with it to see what you get. So what I'm going to do now is I am going to take my image of me, and I'm going to press Control C. I'm going to come here and I'm going to paste it here, and I'm just going to make it bigger. I want the image, I just really want my face, to be honest, to be in the middle there. So that's all I really want in there. I'm just cropping it so it's going to make it easier for me to make it larger. Okay, and then just make sure that the edge of the photo is on the bottom there. Okay, and now what you're going to do is you're going to download this image. And let me just create another page here. And I will add my image in here. And I'm just going to put it to the side. And now I'm going to look for a round frame. Okay, so here's a round frame. I'm going to make a copy of my image up here, Control C. I'm going to bring it here, Control V, and I'm going to move it into my round circle. And now I'm just going to make this larger. And try and center it. Now, you can either use this when you're uploading it into a profile picture, or you can kind of create a teleprompter logo by placing it in a frame like this. Now, if you're going to use it as a teleprompter logo like this, you're going to have to download this image as a transparent file, PNG. So you would come here, you would select PNG. I'm only going to download this one page that I'm working on, and I've got the transparent background selected and it's PNG, so I'm just going to download that. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring it in here so you can just see what happens when I download it as a transparent image. Okay, so here it is. Here it is. So, I mean, it's not, you don't have to place it against another background, but I'm just trying to demonstrate to you that it's transparent. So no matter where you place it around the circle, it's going to be transparent. So if, for example, you're creating you want to add it to a video, you can add it to your video using DaVinci Resolve as a little teleprompter icon, like I do in my videos. And you can add it in there as a still image, a PNG image, and just position it in any of the corners of your video. All right, so I hope that that's pretty much it. So I hope that you enjoyed this video and you found it helpful. If you did, please press that like button, please subscribe, and until next time, my friends, bye for now.